National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in central North Carolina, Vance County in central North Carolina, Wake County in central North Carolina, Warren County in central North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms racing northeast at 50 miles per hour into Wake, Franklin and Vance counties. Winds to 65 miles per hour and very heavy rain will accompany this line. Locations impacted include New Hill, Holly Springs, Apex, Cary, Lake Wheeler, RDU International Raleigh, New Hope, Falls Lake. This includes Interstate 40 between exits 284 and 306. This includes Interstate 85 between exits 209 and 233. This includes Interstate 540 between exits 2 and 26. This includes Interstate 440 between exits 1 and 16. This includes US Highway 1 between exits 89 and 101. This includes Highway 264 between exits 419 and 429. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Be prepared to move quickly to an interior room of a safe shelter if you hear or see a tornado. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight